Top 5 Best Whitening Deodorants for Dark Underarms. 1. Nature Republic Cotton Armpit Kit Underarm Scrub Wash. This is a refreshing armpit scrub for exfoliating dead skin cells. Underarm armpit washes for deep cleansing of your underarms. The product with AHA, carotenoid C and other ingredients, green granules and yellow granules remove dead skin cells on your underarm, which is a main cause for ingrown hair. It also cools underarm skin. This is a whitening and deodorizing underarm cream with a comforting powdery scent. Armpit whitening cream with natural ingredients such as green tea extract. It brightens your underarm skin. After shaving numerous times, your underarm skin will darken and look dull. Use this natural whitening cream whole year round, particularly during summer, to make your underarm skin look soft and bright. 2. GLUTATHIONE Armpit Underarm Whitening Lightening Cream, Asia. GLUTATHIONE Armpit Underarm Whitening Lightening Cream Herbal Deodorant Lightening Armpit Antiperspirant Cream. The herbal armpit cream consists of natural herbs, such as vitamin B, vitamin E, papaya and aloe vera extracts. It helps nourish and lighten your armpits while prevent unpleasant body odors. It also reduces fine line and black spots. Keep your armpits naturally bright, soft and smooth without unpleasant underarm odors. Ingredients: mineral oil, vitamin B, vitamin E, papaya and aloe vera extracts. Direction: after shower, apply the cream on your armpits twice a day, in the morning and evening. 3. Relumins Advanced Whitening Deodorant Roll-On. Bottle of Relumins Roll-On Deodorant provides 24-hour protection against odor, safe and gentle on delicate skin. Noticeable whitening in 2 weeks with maximum results at 8 weeks. Whitens and softens even on skin that has been irritated by frequent shaving or chemical deodorants. Best when used in conjunction with an underarm whitening cream. Naturally whitens dark underarms. Advanced ingredients: glutathione, kojic acid, witch hazel, unique botanically based formula. Glutathione is a powerful antioxidant that naturally inhibits melanin formation, more than twice the underarm whitening power of DEODORANT Roll-On. 4. DERMAdoctor Total Nonscents Ultra Gentle Brightening Antiperspirant. Don't sweat underarm skin discoloration. This unique brightening antiperspirant is effective at providing protection against whiteness and odor, and smart enough to outsmart embarrassing uneven skin tone. And that's not nonsense. Water-based formulation won't cause stinging, burning or itching. So gentle it can be used right after shaving. Helps even the appearance of skin tone. Quick drying formula won't leave white residue on skin or clothing. 5. For women confident underarm whitening cream and deodorant Nourish and Gently. Nano A and C and E. Vitamin A and C and E in a nano helps to penetrate the skin. Has the ability to restore skin firm, smooth skin feeling healthy, and protects the skin from antioxidant properties. Free radicals, a cause of dullness. Feel the skin, adds moisture and reduce the roughness of the skin. Mulberry extract natural extracts protects the skin from dull and dark spots. Skin look radiant and natural. Chamomile extract chamomile flower extract helps soothe the skin, moisturizing the skin. Feel the smooth skin, suitable for sensitive skin. Aloe vera extract eminently qualified to soothe the skin gently and help retain moisture. Allantoin has the ability to soothe the skin gently. Rose flower oil Rosa senifolia rose extract to moisturize and fragrance gently without causing irritation. Jojoba oil natural gas has the ability to penetrate the skin, soft skin, and restore moisture to the skin. Click links in this video description for price and more details. Thanks for watching.